Tranquility and Charm at Tenuta Torre Rossa Farm and ApartmentsEscape to the picturesque countryside of Impruneta, Italy, and indulge in a serene retreat at Tenuta Torre Rossa Farm and Apartments. Nestled amidst rolling hills and lush vineyards, this 3.5-star hotel offers a tranquil escape from the bustling city life. With its warm hospitality, comfortable accommodations, and breathtaking surroundings, Tenuta Torre Rossa Farm and Apartments is the perfect choice for those seeking a peaceful getaway. Upon arrival, guests are welcomed by the charming ambience of the hotel. The check-in process begins at 4 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and soak in the beauty of the surroundings. The friendly and attentive staff are always on hand to ensure a smooth and hassle-free check-in experience. At Tenuta Torre Rossa Farm and Apartments, guests can choose from a variety of accommodation options, including spacious apartments and cozy rooms. Each room is tastefully decorated and equipped with modern amenities to ensure a comfortable stay. With a range of sizes and layouts available, the hotel can cater to the needs of solo travelers, couples, and families. Families traveling with children will find that Tenuta Torre Rossa Farm and Apartments offers a child policy that ensures a comfortable stay for all guests. While children are welcome at the hotel, please note that there may be extra charges associated with their stay. The hotel's dedicated staff will be happy to provide further details and assist with any special requests.